more referral we are doing as a baseline, because its practice is assumed to be the best, should be the best. And then these are the hospitals that some transplants have been going on. And tomorrow we are going to have interview people.
Anything else underhand happened out there, we cannot tell. As for the question you asked about Medihill and us, it is known that within Medihill, the people that did the transplant were Indian doctors, not locals.
Young people have been coming to donate for money, the exchange of money. Yes, the answer is yes, a number of them. And we do have documented them, their names. We don't know whether they are true names, where they come from, and what was their purpose. I'm sorry to inform you, indeed.
Can we have that document?
Yes, Chair.
Okay.
But majority are requesting between, when we inquire from them, they are saying they are willing to give out their kidney so long as they get 500,000 and above.